Hello and welcome to Mike's Garage. I got a call yesterday from my buddy Ray. Ray says, I'm having trouble with a Petcock on my antique gas tank. I said, well, bring it over. Then I had to clean all this space and get ready to go, but here it is. And this is a wonderful tool for repairing this Petcock, I guess we'll call them ports, that are in the gas tank. Now, this is the original Petcock, or a reproduction, either one is good. And it goes all the way through the tank from the top to the bottom. Problem is these things can leak and not operate well and all that. And to get those two holes aligned is really the trick. So Harley made a tool, or had a tool made that they use for this alignment. And what it actually does is bend the sheet metal a little bit so that the two holes align. So I have that tool. It's like I said, it's a reproduction, and it's an excellent tool. And I thought maybe everybody'd like to see what it works, how it works. So I will insert the tool in the bottom of the tank, screwing it in carefully. This tool is made to clean and chase those threads in the bottom of the tank. So you put the tool in from the bottom of the tank. Actually, I like these old Petcocks. Harley used them from the 40s right up through 1965. And here it comes. To get it in far enough, but not too far. And the reason you don't want to go too far is because it has to align with the top piece of the tool. And there it is. Now sometimes they're a little off and you got to wiggle around a little bit, but that's why you're there, is because they're off. Okay, so now we put this tool in and we know how far to move it in by aligning the holes in this slider here and the handle. So once we get it in all the way, I'll go a little further. Once we get it in right up to the tank. All right, it's on all the way. And now we screw the top piece in further, get it in all the way. Slide the handle in, get the whole setup nice and tight. This will set all the spacing for you. So once you get this one tightened in, as per Harley Davidson's instructions, you strike this handle several sharp blows with a hammer. Now, I've already done it once, so I think I'll stop. And there it is. All we have to do now is unscrew the tool, taking the top piece off first. And once we get that off, we can take the bottom piece out. There is the top piece and its handle. The handle out of the bottom piece. Unscrew it from the bottom hole. And now the two holes are in perfect alignment. And as soon as I get this out, we can reinstall the original Petcock assembly. Now it uses a couple of brass washers on the original Petcock assembly. And it's always a good idea to use brand new ones. And it's a real good idea to coat them with white lithium grease. Keeps them from leaking. All right, this thing's only about a mile long, but that's quite a distance in there. Now the spacing is correct top to bottom, side to side, and we can reassemble and install the original Petcock. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was fun for me because I love using this old tool. So fix your petcock, and I'll see you out on the road.